Hey there, everybody. Yanni here, and I figured today would be a nice day for some show and tell. I got some metrics in from one of my customers, actually a six-shop MSO, and I'm going to keep their identity anonymous, but I'm going to show you some of the metrics they sent me. They had one shop sign up in April, kind of dip their toes in the water, and then they had the other five sign up in July, and then they started tracking usage across all six in August. So from August to today, we have some good metrics on what they were able to achieve in the way of additional material supplements using Eagle. And just for context, this is a six-shop MSO, about 50-50 DRP, maybe 60-40 DRP, not billing the customer, right, and out of pocket for the short. So for all of you who are, maybe afraid to talk to the customer about what a repair costs and what it is you have to do to the vehicle and what it is their insurance company is actually trying to indemnify them for, don't worry about it. You don't have to do any of that. I'm going to show you what insurers are passively willing to pay in the way of materials and what that looks like aggregated in this particular example. So check this out. So I've got part of the screen here blurred out because they have a bunch of metrics on this document, none of which are, relevant to materials. I'm only interested in these two rows down at the bottom here that they've added for tracking. So additional materials, each column is one of the locations. So one location didn't even start using in the month of August. And you can see their total on their first month of usage as an org, 18,000. You can see most of that was the shop that started in April with 12 grand by itself. Month of September, you're looking at another 18. It looks like everybody's using now. In October, we jump up to 22,000. And in November, we have another almost 24,000, which makes their August to November, their 4 months of using this as an organization. 4 months, almost $82,000 on an app that's $99 a month. And this is not even factoring what they did in July when they started, or what that other shop did by itself, since April. You got to figure they've used less than half the year. They're probably over 100K. And if they're not, they're on track to do another 20 something in December, so they're going to be over 100K on an app that's $99 a month. I don't know how. I don't know how else to sell this app anymore. 100K on 99 bucks seems like a good ROI to me. And I'm not sharing this to yell at shops, why haven't you signed up yet? But these price increases that are going to be coming Q1 of next year, they're stupid. I don't even understand how it makes sense. We've had double and triple hikes this year, double-digit percentages, and I'm starting to see the pricing data for next year, and it's 6% here, 7% there, 8% here. I don't know out of what industry, it's supposed to come out of. But, if you take the national average of $45, $46 per paint hour, it's just not going to cover it anymore. And clearly, there is something that insurers accept that they're willing to concede on in this case. So, I don't know. Seems like a no-brainer to me. If you haven't already, I strongly recommend you check out our webinar. It's public and live every Tuesday. Even insurance adjusters are more than welcome. 11 o'clock Eastern. Just register using the button at the bottom right of our website. And we're still waiving our onboarding fee. It's basically the last 90 days of this year. So until December 31st, you can still use code SuperEagle to waive the onboarding fee of $500. We still perform the service. We still set up your account. And we still train you. You just don't have to pay for it. And one of the reasons I've maintained, personally, this low price point, despite arguably I could charge a hell of a lot more, is because I really want this to be an industry standard. I believe strongly that materials should be treated like parts. Objectively, rate pay is stupid. And everyone knows it. We just keep playing this game. Even adjusters know it, right? why don't you have a rate for parts, right? Because parts vary per job, right? Well, could it be that it's the same case with materials, and they've become expensive enough where it's worth itemizing? I mean, you have to itemize goddamn everything else. How come they don't want it for materials? So, in any case, we're here to help. We're here to help you with the materials portion of the claim, to help you itemize with an agnostic system that's easy to use, that has proven success. DRP and non-DRP, one shop and another. We're at almost just shy of 1,000 shops this year. So if you want to check us out, visit us online, attend a webinar, and if you're ready to sign up, and I hope you see the merits in doing so, use code SuperEagle. And on January 1st, 2026, don't complain that there's an onboarding feedback, because I've been giving it away for free for 90 days. So Merry Christmas, God bless, and take care, folks. Bye-bye.